Oh, guys,
Oo.
balita ko, may ano tayo, meron tayong online guest or caller.
Ayan.
Isang
Uy.
pwede ba 'tin siya
Sino
ipasok
yan?
para ibigay niya ang opinion niya?
Ayan. Sino ang ating caller? Ayan, si Cyril J. Bahian. Ayan, may opinion yata to sa ROTC. Anong stand mo, Cyril?
Good evening po.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, kapatid.
So, good evening, Batang 641. I am Cyril Jade Bahian po, a second-year student of Philippine College of Criminology. And today, I will be going to share my 2 cents about the mandatory ROTC po. Just a quick background po about ROTC in our country. It began in the year 1912. It was officially established in the University of the Philippines on July 3, 1922, and was later on adopted by the other prominent schools such as National University, Ateneo de Manila, and so on and so forth. It was until late 2000 when the credibility of mandatory ROTC was questioned because of the tragedy involving Mr. Mark Wilson Chua, a student of University of Santo Tomas, whose body was seen floating in the Pasig River. Thus, mandatory ROTC was then abolished in the year 2002. But just recently po, the newly elected Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio announced her plan to bring back the mandatory ROTC. And of course, it created a division between the views and opinions of my fellow students. And I am here to share my personal opinion po. First, mandatory ROTC inculcates discipline, indeed, respect for the laws and authorities, and obedience to rules and regulations to students. But on the other hand po, mandatory ROTC program is a major source of corruption, abuse of power, and violations of human rights done by immoral groups and protectors of this venal program. In general po, mandatory ROTC has advantages and disadvantages for both the parents and the students. But I think po, whatever the outcome may be, what's more important is that we as a student will do our part to fulfill our aspirations and goals in life. Because at the end of the day, discipline starts within ourselves, and that we are the only one responsible for the realization of our dreams and goals in life. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po.
Wow! Grabe si Cyril, ah. Naglabas pa ng research. Nag-research pa ng history. Ayan.
Yan ang
Hindi mo
Batang
talaga
641, nagpa-fact check.
Correct. Hindi nabubura ang history. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay. Wow, ang galing, ah. At totoo yun. Sinabi din niya kung bakit nawala yung ROTC noong 2002. Yan. Kasi naging ano
Alam
yun
mo,
eh.
kinalabutan ako because I personally was so impressed dun sa tinuran ni ng ating guest, ng ating caller. Wow, congratulations.
Uy, thank you sa'yo,
Galing.
Cyril. Ang ganda